my gosh, look at this fro. My
Look like
hair.
Hermione.
Right? Oh my gosh. That's what's happened. That's what happened. Jeez, try that again.
English.
That's what happens when you don't do anything with your hair after getting out of a shower. What you doing back there, Sierra? She's like, Mom, I didn't want to come outside anyway. Oh my gosh, you guys, my hair. Holy crap. And your guys' new batteries will be here Wednesday.
Mm-hmm.
That'll be nice.
My phone won't die on me.
Yeah, their batteries on Taylor's got an LG and Sarah's got a Samsung. And we found out yesterday, not yesterday, day before yesterday, doing some research and talking with some other people, that the LGs and the Samsungs, you probably want to replace your battery between every 90 days to 6 months. So I didn't know that. And their batteries are known for going bad. So
don't want that.
yeah, I don't want any of those. But yeah.
Hey, let me know when it's nearby. Huh? Let me know when it's nearby and or pops up.
That would be
like,
a Pidgey.
I have got stuff just popping up everywhere. Okay, so Sarah's got a little story for you. Go ahead.
So there was a car going down the road, and it looked like it had Dumbledore on it, and it looked like it was from Harry Potter. And I was trying to figure out what his name was, and my mind just kept coming up with the name Dwarfoff instead of Dumbledore. And so I was gonna say, I was like, what is his name? And then she goes, Dumbledore. I was like, I was gonna say Dwarfoff.
Dwarfoff. So Sarah's gonna now write her own story with a character named Dwarfoff. So I think that would just be fitting. What a name though. So the new character in Harry Potter is now Dwarfoff. All right.
And I'll figure out a name
I'm
for
being
the
blinded.
3 kids and a...
Yeah, she'll do like a fan fiction.
Yeah.
There you go. But not in that kind of fan fiction, you guys.
No.
Not that kind of way. It'll be the alternate universe. Dwarfoff. There you go. What? What's a nice house? This one's just finished being built. Look at the new baseball fields. Oh my God, look at all the birds over there. Holy mackerel. Where are we going? We're gonna go to the... Those clouds are like funky. Haha, that looks like they're having a blast out there. Here he comes, look. Circle, look. He's riding down the hill. Look at him hauling booty. That looks like that would be so much fun. Say, we're home. Connor's chilling. She stole my seat. Did you steal my seat?
Mom.
Hi, Miss Bella. You stole my seat, baby. Oh, you're so precious, girl.
Cat versus Freezy.
You guys have gotten so big. Yeah. Hi, sweet girl.
Cat versus Freezy.
You guys, he's massive. Look at this boy.
What is that?
He's getting so big.
No.
Huh, Connor? You getting so big and fluffy. Fluffy boy.
What is that?
Don't give that to him. That can make him sick for one.
He's like,
He's like, no.
scared of it.
He's like, I don't know what that is, but I don't want that.
Look at it. Ew.
You got a bug on there. Ugh. Well, we are back, and my hair is real fluffy like now. Holy moly. Anywho, guys, we're going to wrap it up right here. I hope you guys enjoyed today. And I'll say, if you liked today's video, give it that thumbs up. And if you're new, go ahead and click that subscribe button. And come back and see us again. And thank you again for watching. Bye.